Hi, I'm Melanie, and today I'll be showing you how to make Tiebreaker. Tiebreaker is David Rio's Thai iced tea with a shot of espresso. With that, you'll be needing a barista whisk, or you can use a spoon, something to stir with. You'll be needing a tablespoon scoop and about 12 ounces of your milk of choice. So to get started, you'll be needing 3 tablespoons of the Thai iced tea. So I already have it mixed in here. And then add about 1 to 2 ounces of hot water. Get your barista whisk and start stirring that, making sure you break down all of the clumps. Once it's stirred, get your milk and pour it over. Now you have your cup of ice. Pour your Thai iced tea over the ice. And then top it off with a shot of espresso. And then it's ready to serve. For more recipes, visit our website, davidrio.com. We'll be posting how to make it hot, how to make it ice, and other ways that you can serve our chai.